Hi, makers! Do you have something you want to share with others in the class? Like your game, video from your project, or sharing a screenshot of any challenges you are facing for assistance from the community? Then, follow these easy steps to do that. First of all, open your classroom. Then, click on Share Something with your class. If it is a question or a comment you want to pass in the class, you can do that in here. Say, I wanna share with the class. If it's a file or a link or a video you want to share, go to Add. If it's a link, click on Link to add a link. If it's a file, click on File. Then choose your file from your computer, whether it's on your desktop or in Documents. After you're done with this, click on Post to share with the community.